Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Using your favorite PS4 controller to play Grand Theft Auto 5 on PC can significantly enhance your gaming experience. For the simplest connection, plug your controller into a free USB port on your computer using a standard micro USB cable. Windows should recognize it immediately. If you prefer to play wirelessly, a tool called DS4 Windows will help your computer see your PS4 controller as an Xbox 360 controller, making it compatible with more PC games. This method ensures seamless gameplay without any extra hassle. To get started with wireless play, you will need to download DS4 Windows. Visit the official DS4 Windows GitHub page to grab the latest release. Once downloaded, extract the contents of the zip file into a dedicated folder, perhaps in your documents or program files. Then, open the extracted folder and run the DS4 Windows application. It will guide you through installing essential drivers, such as the Vi GM bus driver, which allows your PS4 controller to mimic an Xbox 360 controller. Once DS4 Windows is installed, open the application. You will see a Profiles tab where you can create a new profile for your controller. We recommend selecting the Xbox 360 controller preset from the list of options, as this offers the best compatibility with Grand Theft Auto 5 and many other PC titles. Save your new profile, and then connect your PS4 controller. DS4 Windows should automatically detect it and apply the selected profile, indicated by your controller appearing in the main window. With DS4 Windows configured, always make sure the application is running before you launch Grand Theft Auto 5. Open the Rockstar Games Launcher, then simply start your game. Your PS4 controller should now be recognized as an Xbox 360 controller, giving you full control over the game. If you face any issues, try restarting both DS4 Windows and the game, or ensure your USB port is working correctly and your controller drivers are fully up to date.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.